back to my channel for a fun fall decorate with me for 2019. I loved filming this video. You'll see at times I got stumped on how to do my decor, but let me know what you think down in the comments below.
I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like...
So as always, I am starting with the mantle in my living room and working my way out, which is what I always do because the mantle is a great place to start because it's normally the focal point of your home. So I highly recommend starting there like I'm doing and then working your way out to other rooms of the house.
I feel like the ocean. I can see you want this too. Cause you've been looking at me all night, trying to figure me out. I just wanna let you know. And I ain't playing no games, baby, you won't change. I only want you. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love.
And the reason I'm leaving these blankets on underneath is because we always use these blankets. So at any given time, we could all 3 or 4 of us want a blanket. So I have to just kind of stack and make it work.
I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love.
This one got a little bit tricky because all of this I'm using right now is new decor, so I didn't know where to put it. So you'll see me go back and forth until I finally settle on something.
Maybe I was blind, known you forever while I tried to find someone that could be my great love. Right in front of me, I didn't realize you were my dream. So you took me by surprise. Oh yeah, even in my wildest dreams, I didn't think we were destined to be. And now you're laying next to me. Everything feels like oh yeah. Wanna give you every part of me. I can't believe this is reality. And now you're laying next to me. Everything feels like oh yeah. I'm just curious, when did you know you had feelings for me? Maybe somehow we've always known that we have chemistry, but always chasing after someone else. So this took me by surprise. Oh yeah, even in my wildest dreams, I didn't think we were destined to be. And now you're laying next to me. Everything feels like wildest dreams. Even in my wildest dreams. Oh yeah, even in my wildest dreams, I didn't think we were destined to be. And now you're laying next to me. Everything feels like oh yeah. Wanna give you every part of me. I can't believe this is reality. And now you're laying next to me. Everything feels like oh yeah.
So as you're about to see, I'm trying a million different combinations and I didn't like the way it was coming together. This table is really hard to decorate because of the way it's shaped. I don't like it. I want something else right here, but you're going to see me go through all of these different options, and then I ended up taking a break, and then off camera I found something that worked for me, and now I actually love how it turned out.
You make me feel so alive. Can't stop thinking about you day and night. Love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. Everything I needed. I never thought I'd meet someone like you. You know you are the reason why I feel like I can fly. Thinking about you day and night. I love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. I wanna hold your head. You're everything that I desire. Every time we touch, we get set the world on fire, world on fire. I wanna hold your head. You're everything that I desire, I desire. Oh, every time we touch, we get set the world on fire, world on fire. I just wanna look into your eyes. You know you make me feel like I'm alive. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution.
I was excited to actually decorate a little part of the master this year. I normally don't decorate the bedrooms too much except for Christmas, but when I saw these pink pumpkins, I immediately thought of my pink buffalo plaid blanket from upstairs, and I thought it would look really good with the pink against this wall with contrast, and I love how this room turned out. Just a little bit really does go a long way.
World on fire. I wanna hold your head. You're everything that I desire, I desire. Oh, every time we touch, we get set the world on fire, world on fire. La 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la, la la la. Hey, I've got you on my mind. Yeah, you're all that
finally, just in the kitchen, I'm putting these smallest touches, a candle, a pumpkin, and then just a little other pumpkin on the other side. I just wanted very minimal stuff in the kitchen because it's already cluttered up enough with all of my stuff I keep on the counters because I love Rae Dunn. So I hope you guys enjoyed this small little just minimal touch to the kitchen. I just thought instead of going overboard like last year, I would just do a small amount.
Tell me what you wanna do. Yeah, 'cause I'd do anything. I just wanna be with you.
Here's the final overview. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I do love fall. I love that I went with more muted colors this year. So I hope that you'll subscribe if you're new, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!
Now, now, now.